Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change reason on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on the three vertical lines at the top right of your screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Now go ahead and tap on Account. Tap on Account Information. Select Account Reason. You can now change your reason by selecting the country of your choice. But you can only change your reason after you are in the selected country for 90 days. When you tap on Confirm, you will successfully change your reason on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.